Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 15 of my Tag a Day November. We're halfway through. Today I used some lovely lipstick, cardstock and ink from Stampin' Up. I used some of the Doodlebug odds and ends for the Cute and Crafty line. I also used the paper, the Cute and Crafty. I really like this paper. It's just so cute and the fun colors. And yep, use that. And then I used the Itty Bitty Gifting stamp set. And then I have a new die. Imagine that. It's the My Favorite Things Do It All gift tag. I really like it because it has a die that'll make the pocket for you. I know that they're easy to make, but I'm all about convenience, and so I like having that die that will fold up into the pocket. Has several different dies, like long skinny ones, that the itty bitty gifting will fit. Plus there's other itty bitty stamp sets at My Favorite Thing I saw, like thanks and baby and stuff, so those would work as well. And there's lots of different ways you can do it, layers and stuff. So I really am pleased with this tag die set. And then here is my tag for today. It is a gift card holder. You can see that Doodlebug paper. Those are from the odds and ends. I had an old Hobby Lobby card that I thought was perfect for this theme. For your crafty friend, you could get a Hobby Lobby or Michael's or whatever. And it just slides right in. And then there's those little tags, a gift for you, for someone special. And then I did one just in the cardstock. But that makes that pocket really easy. It was easy to understand, easy to put together. Just some cardstock on the back and some twine. So there is an easy gift card holder. And I thought that's just so fun and a neat way to give it to you. I didn't try. It comes out pretty easy, but it's pretty sturdy too. The ribbon and stuff kind of hold it in place, so if it accidentally got tipped over, I thought that would be kind of fun to tie them to the tree. Like if you had relatives that you didn't buy actual gifts for, you could tie them to the tree. I don't know, I just think that they're very versatile, and I'm excited to make more of them. Like I said, it was really easy to understand and put together. So there is my gift card tag for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope that you have a great day. Go do something crafty, maybe make a tag, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.